climate in 2 minutes.
Adaptation matters. Impacts of climate change accelerate, more extreme weather and sea level rise. We need to adapt. Adaptation measures need to happen at the local, community, and business levels today. So what can you do? Start with your own actions and build from there. At home, conserve water and energy, reduce your plastic use by bringing your own bags and bottles, support local and sustainable practices, find out if your area is prone to flooding or typhoons, and have an emergency plan.
We should not devalue simple initiatives, no? We have our own unique sustainability journey. So it's good to start with your own context.
In your community, join cleanups, plant trees, and help organize adaptation projects. Small efforts create big time.
To our local governments, formulate and implement your local climate change action plans, engage people, invest in risk reduction, and climate-proof your services.
There is no day that you will have the same exact solution for the coming storm. Every community has their own vulnerability, natural hazards, other risks that may factor in. And it's very important for every community and the household and the families that live in it to recognize their unique hazards and the risk and how their current norms will be able to absorb or mitigate those risks and the needed actions and innovations to make sure that those risks will not increase but decrease.
To the businesses, invest in sustainable practices, clean energy for climate mitigation, water efficiency, and circular economy approaches for resilience and adaptation. Adaptation is smart business.
Adaptation is imperative. In line with First Philippine Holdings' purpose of giving an opportunity to everyone to thrive in a climate change world. And when we do all of that, we have a triple dividend in terms of reducing our financial losses, keeping people's health, and protecting the environment.
Like us in First Gen, we support communities through climate education, reforestation, and clean energy solutions because regeneration starts with action.
I really would like to create a community that is involved with nature and in touch with helping out the community, the barangays, and also the youths po.
Mag-i-start po yun sa aking sarili since kami nga po, aspiring leaders, kailangan po namin gumawa ng kahit na small things na makakatulong sa ating kalikasan. Kahit pamaliit po yun, magkakaroon naman po siya ng malaking impact paglipas ng panahon.
Adaptation is not just the government's job. It is our shared responsibility and a shared opportunity to protect what we love. Let's rise to the challenge together. The future depends on what we do today.